Hello, today we're going to talk about binary file handling. Binary files are a special type of file in Python which contains only machine readable code. It is very different from text files, and in this lesson we will see why we need to use binary files as against text files, which we have done earlier. We will also see how we use the pickle module of Python to deal with binary file handling. We will write data to a binary file, we will read it, we will append new data to an existing file, we will do various kinds of file operations on binary files like searching, modifying and deleting of data. Okay, so why are binary files necessary? Or what is the problem with text files that forces us to use another format for certain kinds of data? Now, as the name text file suggests, we can only store text or strings into the text files. Let's see how what happens when we try to write non-string data into a text file. Here we have a small program in which we have opened a file in text mode, and we're trying to write a string as well as an integer into the file. Now when we run this program, we'll see that the string is successfully written into the file. But when we try to write a number, we will get an error. The same thing happens with other kinds of objects like lists or sets or dictionaries. We can only write strings into a text file. This is the reason why we must learn how to use binary files. Now, how is the binary file writing done in Python? We use a special module called the pickle module, and this module has to be imported. And in the pickle, when we import the pickle module, we are going to preserve, or we're going to pickle our data in its pristine form for future use. The act of pickling is also called serialization, and this job of serialization is done using the pickle module's dump method. The syntax of the dump method is it takes two parameters. The first is the object to be written, and the second is the file onto which it has to be written. The opposite of pickling is unpickling. It is a reading of data. This is also called deserialization, and this is done using the pickle's load method, and the syntax is pickle.load. It takes a single file as its parameter, and it returns the object which has just been read. So this is in brief what the pickle module does and how it helps you to do binary files. We will see how to write binary files in the next episode.